Let us go into our 14th question. We have to look which one is mismatched. Our 14th question. Which one is mismatched? Which one is mismatched? We are going to look which one is mismatched. And A, option A, washing machine, washing machine is matched with to wash laundry. To wash laundry. B, vacuum cleaner. Cleaner is matched with to heat and cook food. To heat and cook. And cook food. Option C. Option C, refrigerator. Is matched with keep food cool. Keep food cool. And option D, mobile phones. Mobile phones to voice and text messages. And text messages. So, now let's look at our options given and look. Which one is mismatched? Washing machine, wash laundry, refrigerator to keep food cool, mobile phones, voice and text messages. The mismatch, we are asking which is the mismatched one. And the B, vacuum cleaner to heat, and that is the mismatched one. And now let's go to the 15th question. Our 15th question, match the following or match the following. A, computer. B, television. C, vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Only three options are there. And the first one, watch shows. Watch. Shows. 2, suck up. Dust. 3, listening. listening. Music. And writing. All right, now let's do the matching up. First, computer. What does a computer do? Computer helps you to listening to music and writing. So number 3, television. What do you do with the television? You watch shows on it. And what does the vacuum do? Number 2, the vacuum cleaner, sucks up dust. Now let's look at the options we have here. A. Option A, A1, B2, C3. Option B, A3, B1, and C2. Option C, A2, B1, C3. All right. From the 3 options, we are supposed to choose one. Okay, it is 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. So option B is the correct one. All right. The next one. Let's get on with 16th question. Our 16th question, which organ of your body is still pumping when you are sleeping? Which organ? Which organ of your body is still pumping? Is still pumping when you are sleeping. When you are sleeping. All right. Option A, lungs. Option B, fingers. Option C, heart. Option C, arm. Option D, arm. Now let's choose from the options we have. Which organ, they're talking about the organ of your body, is still pumping when you are sleeping? You have arm, heart, fingers, lungs. Which is still pumping? It is the heart that keeps pumping the blood all part of the body even when you are sleeping. Let's look at our 17th question. Which one is also used in heating in industrial processes? Which one is also used in industrial processes? And your options are option A, bus, option B, computers, option C, microwave oven, And option D, mobile phones. Mobile phones. Let's choose the answers from the options given. Which one is also used in industrial processes? Is it a computer, bus, micro oven, mobile phone? The answer is option C, microwave oven. Now, let's look at one more question. Question number 18. Question number 18. Statement A. Statement A. Let's see what statement A has to say. Statement A, laptop can be carried anyway. Laptop can be carried. Can be carried anyway. All right? And then let's look at the statement B. Statement B. What does statement B say? It says, computers can be carried anyway. Computers can be carried. Can be carried anywhere. So these are the two statements that you have. Now, A. It says statement A is correct. Okay? The option A says statement A is correct. Option B says both A and B. Says statement B is also correct. Statement B is correct. And option C says both A and B. Both A and B are correct. Okay, that's the last question of ours. Okay, now let's look at the answer. Statement A says laptop can be carried anyway. Statement B says computers can be carried anyway. Statement A is correct. According to this, statement B is correct. Therefore, what is the answer? Both statements are correct. Now let's look at all the answers and the question that we have here. The 14th one. Which one is mismatched? Vacuum cleaner to heat and cook food is mismatched. Match the following: computer, listening to music and writing, television to watch shows, vacuum cleaner to suck up dust. So according to that, you have the option B, A3, B1, C2 is correct. Which organ of your body is still pumping when you are still sleeping? Your heart is still pumping when you are still sleeping. Which one is also used in industrial processes? Microwave oven is used in industrial processes. Statement A says laptop can be carried anyway. Laptop Statement B says computers can be carried anyway. Statement A is correct. Statement B is correct. So both A and B statements are correct.